Good evening, good morning, good afternoon. This is Mr. Kraus, English teacher at Downey High. Hey guys, thanks for clicking on this video and watching it. It's crazy that I already have the link there. What? That's savage. Also a link to the text. We'll talk about that. But getting into this doc, make sure you do your MLA heading over here. Go ahead and throw your last name, page number over here. And then what do you want to do on this handout? Well, there's 10 words that occur in our next text that are important to the understanding of that text. So what I want you guys to do is take a look at the definitions that are given, find the word from the text, and so how do we do that? I'll go over that in a second, and copy it and quote it and cite it correctly. You'll see here in red, must have a citation. So I'm going to go over that in a second, and then I'll model the sentence. The sentences should be 7 words or longer, and there must be a grammar move in every sentence that you create. Please include 5 pictures. The picture example that I do does not count. All right, let's get into how we find the words. So you can select a word, and on your iPads, when you do that, it's going to ask if you want to copy or cut. And then oftentimes there's another option where it says find selection. So that's a good hack. If you have an actual device, sometimes Command F works, and it'll find the word in the document. So what's our first word? It's epic. So I click over here, type in epic, and it finds the word right away for us, and then we just need to highlight the sentence. So I'm grabbing the sentence. Pretty easy. Command C for you iPad users is how you find, is a keyboard shortcut, and then Command V to paste, right? Command C to copy. And then this does not have an author, so you guys can put anonymous or leave it blank. I like to put the word anonymous. And so that's how you'll cite it. Make sure you have the red highlighted citation as well as the quote marks highlighted in red. Find that vocab word again and get in the habit of highlighting that in yellow. Okay, an epic is a long narrative poem that tells the story of heroic adventures and reflects on the values of a culture, right? So part of the idea behind a good story is it can anchor a culture's values. So you come over here and write a sentence about epics or about good stories, and so you're trying to use a vocabulary word. So I love the value of sharing a good story, even an epic poem, with my children. Moreover, Lily, my daughter, loves to listen to these when we read at night. Okay, so obviously we're going to go in and highlight the grammar move, preferably in orange, just try to make your teacher's job a little easier. Where's that vocab word? Right there. And then I happen to have a picture of my daughter and me reading. Let me see if I can unearth that real quick. But you guys get the idea, right? So let's see. You're looking at my drive. Pretty hilarious. TKM vocab. So here's... You guys don't have to do personal pictures. No way, no how. That is not requested. I just happen to have one. So there you go. Just nightly reading with the child. You guys will work on these words. So what did we do? You could Command C, go over to the text, hit Command F if it's working, Command V to paste, and it pulls up the word right away for you. Copy the sentence using Command C. Go back to your vocab, Command V, make sure you cite it correctly like this. That would be much appreciated. That's where all those sentence points come from. And then your sentences, make a grammar move, highlight the vocab word, all right? Thank you for listening, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Oh, and if you're doing this on a sub day, make sure it gets submitted. There is no makeup work.